Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Isna Rahma Putri. My student number is 116 and I'm from class MLS-B. Now I want to explain about social culture. A social culture is a system, a collection of parts which interact with each other to function as a whole. A social and a culture process that occurs in the context of human relationships and activity and not just in the head of individual learners. In this social formulation of learning, the social cultural context, it's not merely the location of learning. And the social cultural context affect how people learn, talk, participation in a culture activities, and what is learner social practice. And itself part of what is the learner. Crucial psychological learning processes are not independent of the social cultural context. Indeed they are constituted by the context of which they are a part. A social culture is a human population in view in its ecological context as one of the many subsystems of a large ecological system. The term social cultural embraces two concepts, society and culture, of course. A society is a number of interdependent organisms of the same species. A culture is the learned behavior that are shared by the members of a society, together with the material products. If such behavior, the word society and culture are fused together to form the word social culture. That is also related to consider the file tenor and mode of the context situation. The file. What is being spoken about? The tenor. What is the relationship? And the last, the mode. What are the circumstances in which the language communication take place? Conversation, reflection, description, or what? The so-called contextual meaning here refers to the meaning and the explaining the meaning concept of language. I think enough for my explaining about the social culture. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.